Area hello, they welcome for football and Pidgin. After match talk how you see AC Milan 0 and Chelsea 2, and we get Oga Austin, will be Ogbonge Chelsea fan. May tell us about how you see this game. Oga Austin, 6.9 Chelsea don't collect for AC Milan, and Chelsea don't even go top of the group now. We don't see they don't even start well. But how you see Chelsea performance for today's match?
Chelsea perform well now. Our performance dey very very okay. This kind football they play this night, e don take Chelsea see am. So the coach and the players dey impress the fans.
So you talk about say the coach and the players impress the fans now. In general, with what you don't see from Thomas Tuchel, I'm sorry for Graham Potter now, since when he don't replace Thomas Tuchel, how you think say Chelsea they go? Chelsea don't improve or na still the same thing you dey see as a Chelsea fan?
We don improve small. Man not say we don improve well, we don improve small. So as time goes on, we go see how it goes. Because I saw Tuchel take start, he can't even win Champions League for us. We call it say the Messiah don come at the end, the fumble. So for now, we don improve small.
So you dey talk about improvements now. I want to ask you about player like Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, player like Raheem Sterling, wey come into this Chelsea team, player like Koulibaly too, wey come into the Chelsea team for this summer transfer window now. How you think say these players don't improve the squad players wey Chelsea gets normally before wey they come meet? How you think say these players don't improve them? If you want rate that improvement on a scale of 1 to 10, how you go rate am?
I go rate am 7%. Now they don't improve us. Because you see when Sterling come, we no get that sharp winger wey be like say fit tip from side come 18. E no dey since Hazard comot, Hazard and William. So Sterling improve that wing well. Then Aubameyang na fine striker. Yes, wey be like say with the way Chelsea dey go so, we go play striking football. Aubameyang go score goal. So Aubameyang don improve Chelsea well. At least na still threat. And if you see am, he score for our this our match. He don score for one of our Champions League game, of which the man dey try. He don improve Chelsea.
What about Koulibaly?
Koulibaly, Koulibaly still dey shake small sha, but he dey improve. Na new coach we get, so as time goes on, he go dey improve them. So Koulibaly dey try.
All right, I want to ask you about this goalkeeping situation for Chelsea now. Kepa and Mendy. Because recent times now, since when Kepa come into the team, when Mendy get that injury, it could be like say Kepa now, he don't hold that number one shirt, he don't want to release him again. But to you, which keeper between Kepa and Mendy you think say supposed to be Chelsea?
Chelsea number one still remain Mendy. This clean sheet wey Kepa dey keep so, na the team form, the team join. Kepa never face any better challenge. If you see Mendy dey make save. Of which wey be like say Kepa no fit make. So I still take Mendy as my number one. I don't know of other people.
But for you, Mendy
Mendy na number one.
All right. But for this performance today, which player be your own man of the match?
Everybody play for Chelsea. The full team try, but if I go say I give man of the match, if I go give two people, I will give Kovacic and Jorginho. That be my man of the match.
So, but Chelsea now top of their group for Group E now. They don't start Champions League group well, but now be like say they don't pick up form. They don't even still balance where they top of the group. But you as a Chelsea fan, what be your expectation from Champions League for Chelsea this season?
My expectation, I be Chelsea fans, so I go like them to win. But for now, at least make they cross go, make they comot group stage, make they advance go knockout stage. But for me, I expect them to win Champions League. I mean, they support them.
So, okay, before I let you go now, Oga Austin, this question I want to ask you, no concern Chelsea today, no concern Chelsea match. This weekend, Liverpool and Man City go play. As a football fan, how you see that game? Who you think say go win that match?
For me, current form, I give that game to Man City. But once the ball does start, na a different ball game we dey see. And for Premier League, Liverpool na one side wey be like say they give Man City tough time. But for me, I give Man City the game.
All right, now, Oga Austin, thank you for your time.